Alright, shorted that one. I'm sorry. Kind of popped up in a hurry there. +5. This is pretty basic, straightforward stuff here. See the hard push? Black bar is actually getting lighter gray. The lighter the bars get, the more the exhaustion is imminent. See our velocity indicator in the background here? We have an overbought condition. We have a speed tick. We have a pushing up a new high of the day. It's opened right up under the high of the day. Shorted it on the open of this bar. It dropped, hit target, in, out, done.